What's up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweeterman. Yo, let's get into the video. Today's delivery day. You dig what I'm saying? Baby, they're leaving today. So today's delivery day. Reason why it's so late, just because I've been having problems with the insurance. What's up, you guys? We're back. So we're gonna be getting the car clean right now. You already know what I'm saying? I'll have to get all this detail. We got the check from the bank and we got all the money as well. So we're gonna get it clean. It's on the OEM rim right now. And then after that, we're gonna go take delivery of my brand new Supercar. Like, yo, I'm super excited. So just stay tuned for that, alright? Just stay tuned. Today is delivery day. And goodbye to her. And she's been great. All that stuff. So just stay tuned for that. Most definitely. Yo, moment of truth. You dig what I'm saying? We're about to pick up the car just now. Actually, we have to do some paperwork still. You dig me? Like, yo, I'm super excited, yo. It's been a long time coming. After saving my entire savings, just to come pick up this car. You dig? Woo. Yo, I'm getting closer, and my heart is pumping right now. Alright guys, welcome to Rolls-Royce Montreal. It's looking neat. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Okay, yo, the moment we've been all waiting for, yo. Shish, they got a Senna, they got Ferraris, couple Ferraris, you dig what I'm saying? The car is just right there. I ain't gonna review it just yet, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait, sign all the paperwork, and then we're gonna come back, we're gonna review it. GT2 RS 918. Yo, hold up. Check the line up real quick. Alright, we got a Senna GT2 RS 918. We got me over here. So y'all see exactly what we're getting. If you know exactly what we're getting, leave it right now in the comment below. Right now. But I ain't finna get it done just yet. But we got, you know, another Ferraris. Oh, I've seen this one too. It's actually not bad. It's not that expensive. I've seen that. So in case you guys, they're brand new. So if you guys are looking for cars, pull up. And then Bentley, SLS, Mazzy. Yeah, the dealership inventory is super nice. Cullinan, all of that stuff on the lineup. Maybe one day we can get one of these too. And a G-Wagon. Shush. Lineup is super neat.
I got a machine up there to count.
To count?
Yeah.
Just to make sure we're all on the safe side.
Alright.
Okay. How's your day?
Outstanding, my friend. Outstanding.
That's good.
Okay, so first I need you have the proof of insurance.
I do. I have it on my phone.
Beautiful. Can you send it to me? I'll just print it out.
Yeah, sure. No cap. All my money's gone. Yeah, to deposit the down payment. Ooh, hefty. But just stay tuned though. Like, I'm gonna give you guys all the information regarding the down payment, all of that stuff. Hefty price to pay. So if you're in the market looking for your first exotic, make sure you have a dip wallet. Feel me? But anyways, let's get the paperwork signed.
Okay. So I'm gonna roll through the speaker way there. So first off, this is just a summary. Okay. So
I have it right here.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Excellent. Thank you.
No problem.
That's here.
Okay, perfect.
And you got that. That's
yep.
Good. I don't care what you work on, bro. I'm just doing it.
Sounds good, man. Yo, they're pretty chill. Dig? So, let me sip some Rolls-Royce water. I hope this water tastes like Rolls-Royce. Let me put y'all over here so y'all can see exactly what's going on.
Yeah, so I'm your signature there.
Okay, so what's this?
So this right here. Oops, sorry. Let's see what I'm making you sign here. So yeah, so you're certifying that the car had an accident. Okay, in the amount of $10,000.
Oh, the Audi?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah.
So
do you need the bill of sales for that too, or not the bill of sales? Okay.
And
yeah.
Your signature right down here that the odometer is the correct mileage.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next up.
Yeah, I just took the car for to the garage, out to Audi. I just got it serviced. Came back home. On my way home, someone ran into me. Same day.
Always the way, you know?
Same day. I was just looking into trading the car till that same week. That just kind of plunged.
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you.
10.
So
initials?
Yeah, initial there, and then you get to turn the page, and then initials right down there, and then again, bottom right. So you'll see here, okay, your tires. I can't put them in your car first of all, your winter tires, but I have winter tires coming in for you. It's written right here.
Can you send it to my address?
Exactly, we're going to send it to your house.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
just to clarify that. Okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And then you're going to sign on the last page.
Yeah.
There's a couple of places actually. Sign it.
And over here as well?
Yeah, actually she didn't highlight there. You're going to sign there.
Sure.
And then, sign right there where it says purchaser. And then right there where it says acceptance and delivery. Beautiful. And then we're doing the same thing on this one also.
Okay.
All the same places. So right down there.
So I guess one copy is yours?
Yep, one copy is yours, one copy is mine.
Alright. It took me from 8 o'clock till now to get insurance.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Because of that one accident? Or because of the value of the car?
Because of the value of the car and Ontario, and I'm like a high risk for tickets.
Okay.
So that didn't help my situation. Yeah. But it wasn't far off though from what I was paying before.
Nice. How much you paying?
Yeah, I got one quote. It was like 1,300. I was gonna go with that, and then right before I went with that, they gave me a call, and then they kind of adjusted everything. And
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Because I had a customer that I sold him a Phantom. This is about your age.
Okay.
And Phantoms are more expensive.
Yes, of course.
And it was costing him $11,000 a year.
Yeah. Mine is his lucky is 11. Mine was they quoted me 17.
What?
That's a brand new car.
That is insane.
17.
Okay, so this here is a consent of use of your personal information that we transmitted to the Scotiabank for your loan application.
Sure.
This one right here is to receive electronic messages from Scotiabank in the event that they need to reach out to you. It'll send you an email.
Okay.
Stop this from doing this.
And this is the information that Scotiabank took.
Yeah, that's
the application.
That's the application. That's right. I'm going to have you sign all this again in a second.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to be okay then, but I need to get that $3,500 from you. Credit card?
Yes, you have my credit card.
Yeah.
I'll still have it with me. I'll still give you the numbers.
Yeah, sure. As long as I got the number, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one's signed. Beautiful. And this is so that Scotiabank can confirm your payment information with One Home Services.
Yeah. Okay.
Beautiful. One more time. This is for basically it's the installment contract, so good news.
Yes.
It's a little bit better.
Still high, but
no, but remember so I don't need anything.
And they couldn't do anything with the term? They couldn't increase it?
Again, that's Ontario, they could.
In Ontario, they could.
So I could do a 4-year payment, but you get amortized over 7 years.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
In Ontario, but not Quebec. Only in Quebec you can't do it.
Jesus.
And I actually sold a Ghost to a guy, a Rolls Royce Ghost to a guy,
Okay.
and he canceled on me because he couldn't get financing because
Of the payment?
Yeah.
I almost did, I was so close to just say, fuck it.
Yeah, forget it.
Yeah, then I was like, I'm just gonna...
Meant to be.
Yeah, I'm just gonna suck it up and then...
Nice.
Yeah. I was that close to cancel it.
I'm glad you didn't, my brother. I'm glad you didn't. Where is that page? There we go.
It's really crazy how you guys have different laws compared to Ontario.
I'm in the same country.
Yeah. I hope I don't have any problems when I go to go register it.
No, I'm just gonna plate it. I mean, you're gonna have to get it inspected first.
To get in Ontario.
Yeah, and then after that, I need your initials just up there. Then you can get it plated. And then you gotta send me the registration, like ASAP, right after, not the registration, but the registration after you had it plated, because I can't get the funds until Scotiabank knows that you plated
Okay.
the car.
So I'm going back to Ontario on Tuesday.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so, okay.
It's a long weekend.
Yeah.
This stuff now.
So what kind of, are you going to put plates or just going to put just a sticker?
I'm just gonna put a transit on there.
A transit on it? Okay.
I'm gonna put a transit on there. I'm gonna give you what's called the power of attorney.
Okay.
And
So I won't have any problems with the cops, none of that stuff?
No.
Because I'm definitely going to get pulled over?
yeah, for sure,
Yeah.
for sure. Well, that's why you're gonna have this with you.
Okay.
Okay, this is the registration for the car.
Hmm?
This is the power of attorney
Okay.
from us, so that you complete the car on our behalf
Okay.
in Ontario, okay?
All right.
And there is my transit sticker. Put it on the car now. All right. Okay, so I'll let you finish
Yeah.
signing that up. I'm just gonna find where my transit sticker is. I'll be right back.
Sure.
We're almost done, we're almost done.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's go. Okay, my first cover. Let's go. Perfect. Shout out to David still. Yo, make sure you come to Rolls-Royce Montreal. And come see David. David's the man still. Damn. Woo! Carbon fiber everywhere too. Yeah. Oh.
It's a $30,000 option.
Yeah. Does it pose? Does the mirror pose? Or? Oh.
The arms part.
Yes. Alright, so open your hood. Alright. So that's all. Oh, the trunk is actually not bad. Okay. So that's the trickle charger?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the car coffee?
No, this is the toolkit.
Toolkit? Okay.
Toolkit is here that you get a flat tire.
Yeah. Is that me? No, I ain't gonna use that. No. No, thank you. Alright. And this box is just
This is for the charger.
just for the charger. Okay.
I'll put that back in there for you. Because I know they plugged it in earlier this week.
Yes. So the battery is fully like
Full, yeah.
Okay.
When you get in the car,
Okay.
open up the door.
Yes.
You want to open the door?
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, it's a little rubber pad inside there. There you go.
Hey, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see that just yet.
Very nice. Back in there. Show you how to drop the top and where you put stuff. You know, a little space in the back too.
Okay.
To put stuff.
Okay.
It's a great space. You gotta hide something or whatever. It's good.
Yes. What's this? Like this? Oh, that's the PPF. You have the over here. Okay. I think it's perfect.
You got it.
It's screen protector.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
You feel the edge.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Right here.
Okay.
Right.
You correct.
No. That's the seat. It's not cracked. It's a line.
No. I said correct.
Oh, correct. I thought it cracked.
No, correct.
It's
Correct.
got some wax
Correct.
in there,
No, that's fine. That's fine. No worries. That's cool. All right. carbon ceramic brake.
Carbon ceramic brakes.
Alright. Doors goes up. And pop the other door too.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the roof cap.
Yes. That's my do you know one question that McLaren don't know how to ask you guys? Do you know if because you guys think it's McLaren, I'm not sure. Do you know if they service the clutch?
I need an inspection.
Yes, please. Sure. Yes, please. There we go. No problem. All right, I'm getting it. That's already started up, so it's not like a full story.
No.
Yeah. Because the one in Jordan that started, that was.
Put the roof down first.
Yes.
I can show you that. Actually, wait, before you do that, no. I'll show you this here. Before, I'm gonna show you before.
Oh, you mean the this one here? Yeah. The tonneau?
See?
Yeah. The extra storage?
Over here.
You guys, I'm definitely gonna do excuse me, my voice is kind of down just because of all the excitement. I'm definitely gonna do a big reveal, not a big reveal, but like I'm gonna do a review of the car. So right now, you know, we're just taking a moment just to enjoy what it is. So this is a 650s, in case I didn't mention that before. This is a Spider version, so if you're getting a 650s, you definitely want to get a Spider. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna be doing a review of that. You feel me? So yeah. So coming next. You dig?